So now let's see how you can print out your calendar from using the option inside of Google Calendar. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here on to settings, and in settings you can see print is an option. Once I click on print, what happens is that it opens up the printing settings. So you can see that you can select the print range right here. So you can select the date range from over here. So just like this, as you select the date range, you can see that you can see how many pages it will be, and you can see the event as well. So let me just go around and then print around, let's say August right here. So I'm just going to go around and let's say I'm going to print from August right here, just like this, so I can see all my events. You can go around and then increase out the event horizon right here as well by choosing different level of dates right here, and you can see all the events within that. So total, you can see that if I were to select this date, it is almost 5 pages. You can go around onto view, so you can go around into day view right here. You can go around into week view as well, or you can set it to auto right here. For the font size, you can select big right here so that you have bigger fonts right here, or biggest fonts as you can see, or you can have smallest font to make it more compact. You can also go to orientation right here, change it to either portrait or landscape, just like this. And over here in color and style, you can have full color, but that will actually use up more ink in printer, or you can go for black and white as well, just like this. So I'm going to go for outline view right here, and here you can show the weekends or not. You can hide the weekends as well and show events you declined. That is an option as well. Once you're ready to print, click on the print button right here, and then you'll open up the printer settings right here. So I don't have a physical printer attached, so I'm just going to save this out as Adobe PDF. So I'm going to hit on print right here, and then what happens is that if it were a printer, then it would actually print it. But since I'm using a virtual printer, you can see that this is how it turned out. You can see that now if you were to print out paper, this is how it'll turn out. You can see that these are the pages and the events are there as outlines, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the print options inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.